Welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the steps on how to set up HDMI CEC, eARC, or on your Sony Google TV. First of all, press the home button on the remote, navigate to settings, external inputs, and go to HDMI CEC settings. Set HDMI CEC to on, and then you want to go to display and sound and go to audio return channels. Once you've done it, so select entire eARC. If both devices support eARC or eARC, if only one device support eARC. If you select the eARC, the TV and connected device both support and enable eARC. Connect the compatible HDMI cable to a designated HDMI in port. Then you want to connect a compatible HDMI cable to a designated HDMI in port. eARC use a HDMI cable with an compatibility. If you have no sound, ensure both devices are updated to the latest software and that HDMI CEC is enabled on both. If you still have issue, try clearing the cache and data for a relevant app on the TV that should be able to help you out. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.